Welcome to the project Automatic Collision Avoidance System using sensor technology. So to develop this project we are using Arduino Nano microcontroller. Arduino the main controlling part of the vehicle, and this is L293D motor driver which drive the DC motors based on the collision. So in this project we are using 12 volts 1 amp battery to provide the power supply to the vehicle. So this is ultrasonic HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor to detect the which is used to detect the collision, and this is the buzzer, piezoelectric buzzer. If the vehicle detect the collision, it will stop automatically and activate the buzzer for alerts. To avoid the road accidents, we are using this implementing this projects. So let us see the demonstration. So this is on and off switch. So when I switch on the robot, it will move forward automatically if the vehicle detect any collision. So it will give the buzzer and stop the vehicle automatically. So okay, now I switch off the vehicle, and this is the charging circuit. This is charging circuit, and this is step down transformer. So which this is the 230 volts AC power cable. AC power cable. So when I place the transformer output, so this is step down transformer which converts 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC. The 12 volts AC being will give input to the bridge rectifier which converts 12 volts AC to 12 volts pulsating DC. So with the help of a capacitor, we remove the unwanted pulse and give the 12 volts DC to the battery. Here we are connecting extra 2 pin to the battery for charging. The duration of time is at least 6 hours to charge the battery. So here we can see LED indication for battery charging. So thank you for watching demo.